Sham, I'm a future restaurant owner. What is one tip that you can give me to get started on my journey? And we're gonna cover that in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Hello everybody, my name is Sham, known in the community as the responsible restaurant owner. And since 2008, I've been opening and running restaurants out of the Silicon Valley, California. And toward the end of 2017, I said, hey, you know what? Why don't go out there and reach out to future restaurant owners and current one to help them in the trenches of hospitality. Matthias from Sweden is asking, what is this one thing I can do if I want to be a future restaurant owner? Well, my first recommendation will be go on Facebook and open your restaurant page. Start documenting this dream of yours. Start adding pictures. This will force you to think about certain elements, hours of operation, seating capacity, etc., etc. By having a complete Facebook page, you should be able to address, I would say, about 60 to 70% of your restaurant business plan. Once again, this was Sham. Please do comment, please do subscribe, and until we meet again, please remember the secret ingredient is love.